join my Tripsicorean journey today, and barely, you can tell, oh, what a day. Our call time was 6 a.m. to prepare for the arrival of the Malaysian students as part of CGC Cultural Exchange Program. We performed Kinang Pilipinas to showcase the rich diversity of Filipino culture. I wasn't able to film everything during the opening because we are so busy. After dancing, we changed immediately to do an inventory of the costumes for return. In the middle of our stay at the dance hall, the Malaysian students arrived for their campus tour. They were incredibly kind. It's another day! May 1st marked the closing program of the cultural exchange. After traveling to the venue at the HE building, we immediately started our blocking and rehearsals. We wanted to ensure a flawless performance that would truly delight our audience. We performed a folk dance centered on the concept of a fiesta. In the Philippines, festivals are unique. They are a beautiful display of respect, love, and devotion to our patron saint. Go na nalo, Mark. Go na. Hindi mo katikikan. Kauyan at nagabatis ang ako sa dawa, tahanan at mga ibig malayas sa sadyang masahan. Tagalangin yung puso na nakunibigay ko na. Apa ko din? After rehearsal, we go back to the dance room to prepare.
Sarah, consultin ni mo rin sa langit, Princess Sarah, langit, lupa.
Uy, Kabe, wala na mo ron. Kaya awardin daw ninyo, Kabe.
Hangsa ka dahil?
Hagal. Ayakan. Ano naman ito dahil? Kaya awardin dahil.
Oo, na kayo dahil.
First, runner up. Champion mi dahil. Dog ba yun? Ayaw. Mga sama si Connie, si Mark, dahil dili kamot dahil suwayo.
Wala na! Ginakuan ka niya dahil.
Ano kati?
Kasama yung ribat.
Ay, dili mas stress ang mga gipan-train sa iya. Mas stress yung blush on the kanto. Dalas na hindi pa titigya po. Kana kung imis din sa mga.
Hindi na ko na malagpak na hugas on.
Try mo, hilo na lang sila. Gamit mo ba hairspray? Dili na setting. Nagwaka pa kayo po.
Meet my indigenous dance crew from the latest intramurals. After, we go to the dance room. When Sir asked to clean his bouquet so he could use that as decor in his office. While we're cleaning, the rest of the team prepared some food snack. Of course, Sir had to be the first one to do the taste test.
Oh, pag thank you sa guro mo, guys. No plastic.
Afterward, we started getting ready because the program was about to begin. We wanted to make sure we look formal, respectful, and presentable, aiming for a look that was both beautiful and sophisticated. Here are some clips of our performance. The Malaysian student won't be outdone, proudly showcasing their culture. The biggest pasabog was when Sir treated us today back after a very long tiring day.
Say ito may vlog Ate Pras.
안녕하세요. 여러분 반갑습니다.
Asa sarap ni Drian ko.
So full. Busog na kami. Blood, sweat, and tears. Char lang. Sama ka sa blood, sweat. Guys, actually, we're going home. And, I'm with God. That the Lord above the earth. Asa ka?
Kinsa ko? Pailay-lang ko.
Dito ito, maklay.
Hi guys. I am Mariette Alzamora.